In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. Full 2026 guide, 5 minutes. Open your browser and head to api.slack.com/apps. If you're not already signed in, log into the Slack workspace where you want to set this up. This page is the home base for building and configuring Slack apps, and that's exactly what we'll do to create a webhook. Click Create an App, then choose from scratch. This path gives you a clean setup with only the features you explicitly enable, which keeps things simple and secure. Give your app a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense to anyone on your team, and select the correct workspace from the dropdown. If your organization requires admin approval for new apps, you might see a prompt or need to request access. That's normal. Once your app is created, you'll land in its settings. In the left sidebar, look for the Features section. Click Incoming Webhooks, then toggle the feature on. Turning this on enables your app to accept simple HTTP posts that can publish messages into Slack. Slack may show you which permissions are being added. That's expected. Next, click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Slack will show a permission screen asking where this app is allowed to post. Choose the channel you want messages to appear in. You can pick a public channel or a private channel you're already a member of. When you're set, click Allow. You'll be returned to the incoming webhooks page, and you'll see a newly generated webhook URL. This is the unique endpoint that external services or your own scripts will send data to. Copy that URL and store it safely. Treat it like a secret. Don't share it publicly. Don't paste it into client-side code, and consider keeping it in a secure place, such as an environment variable or a password manager. Anyone with this URL can post messages to the selected channel, so handle it with care. If you see a Save Settings button, go ahead and click it to confirm the changes. Some workspaces won't require it, but it's always good to lock everything in. At this point, your webhook is ready to use. If you ever want separate webhooks for different channels, repeat the Add New Webhook to Workspace button and select another channel. And if you need to rotate a webhook because it was exposed, you can remove it here and create a fresh one. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and ready for automation.